is the dehumidifier that's connected to all the gauges. So it had a refrigerant leak somewhere in it. Don't know where exactly, but just put some more R410A in it. And it held a vacuum when we pulled a vacuum on it. I don't know where the pump. Oh, there's the pump over there. But so we put surface fitting on it, connecting up to the gauges only on one side. We have refrigerant for it. It's fully charged, and it was running good until now, which the bucket filled up. So I just emptied it. Wonder if there's still water in the sink. No, all the water's gone. And I go power it up again and make sure it's running right. So you get the look at the gauges. Don't know if it'll turn on immediately. Okay, let me go get a step ladder because I cannot see on that. Power's on, fans on. There we go, compressor's on. Oh, what's that? I don't think that's the refrigerant. And this was covered with ice because we haven't had the installation of it yet. That's what I think it is, but it's leaking out some sort of... Okay, there it goes. Oh man. It's not good. Oh wait, it's going up. Okay, it's fine. That's not fine. Uh-oh. Okay. That's what it should be at right there. Okay. Okay, it's dropping. I think I hear a refrigerant leak anyway. I'm gonna grab the leak detector, see if I can find it, but I definitely hear something. Hopefully this is the leak that there is, but it smells something. It smells like refrigerant. Okay, so I'm gonna go find this leak and post an update.